Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us start our part 4. Development as progress over time. Some countries are ahead of others in terms of human development indicators. Similarly, some states have better indicators of human development, though within a state there may be variations. Lower performance on any of the human development indicators is a sign that certain aspects of people's life need more attention than the others. To understand it more clearly, let us see the schooling revolution in Himachal Pradesh. At the time of Indian independence, like most other states, Himachal Pradesh had very low levels of education. Being a hilly region with low density of population in many villages, spread of schools primarily to the rural areas appeared to be a big challenge. However, both the government of Himachal Pradesh and the people of the state were keen on access to better education. The government started schools and made sure that education was largely free or cost very little for parents. Further, it tried to ensure that the schools had at least minimum facilities like teachers, classrooms, toilets, and drinking water, etc. As the years went by, these facilities were improved and expanded. More schools were opened and teachers were appointed so that many more children could study easily. Of course, to open schools and run them well, the government had to spend large amount of money. Among the Indian states, the Himachal Pradesh has the distinct of one of the highest spending from the government budget on education of each child. In the year 2005, the average spending on education by the government in Indian state was rupees 1049 per child. But on the other side, Himachal Pradesh was spending rupees 2005 per child. So from this we can see that the government is very keen in improving educational facilities in the state. In many parts of country, girls' education is still given less priority by the parents as compared to boys' education. While girls may study for a few years, they may not complete their schooling. But a welcome trend in Himachal Pradesh is the lower gender bias. Himachali parents have ambitious educational goals for their girls, just as for their boys. Thus, in the 13 to 18 age group, a very high percentage of girls are completing class 8 and moving to secondary classes. Also, child mortality, it means children dying within a few years of birth, in Himachal Pradesh is very low for girls than for boys. One major consideration is that many Himachali women are themselves employed outside the home. Women who work outside the homes are economically independent and self-confident. They have greater say in household decisions including children's education, health, birth, upkeep, etc. Also being employed themselves, Himachali mothers expect their daughters to work outside the home. So we can see active Mahila Mandals in many villages of Himachal Pradesh. Okay friends, let us see the conclusion of this chapter. Development entails a mix of goals. Goals and the ways of attaining them may be in conflict. Income and per capita income, though very often used, is one of the important aspects of development. Human Development Index has tried to expand the notion of development to include the social indicators of healthcare and education. Government provision is the only way of improving health and education status for all. Societies that are more equal have developed faster when effective public facilities are ensured. Okay friends, thank you for watching the video. This is the end of the chapter Ideas of Development.